Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get Dragon Talon in Blox Fruits. Start by farming experience to reach bounty level 1, then head to the boss spawn island near Middle Sea, equip Hacky and High Damage Sword, use Fruit Radar or trade with players, prioritize defeating bosses fast, and save Belief for skill resets so you can unlock required moves for Dragon Talon. Practice the timing and combos to land the special attack reliably. You need solid stats and some currency before attempting the Dragon Talon grind, so focus on consistent leveling and money farming. Prioritize melee and fruit experience while saving Belief for 1 or 2 skill respects. Keep mobility and Hacky ready to reduce fight length. Also plan fruit combos ahead of time so you can swap quickly during boss fights and avoid wasting attempts on low drop rate runs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. They keep snacks safe during long grind sessions and stop spills when you're juggling inventory and fights. It's a nice small upgrade for marathon sessions, and it saves time between runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a route that hits multiple boss islands to minimize downtime and maximize attempts per hour. Rotate between a main boss, a secondary high drop island, and a quick solo boss so you never wait too long. Bring a party to shave huge chunks off boss health and improve rare drop odds, and use a fruit radar or timers to sync runs. Stay patient and persistent for better chances each session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.